Hey, if you're not a savvy retail store owner gearing up to boost your business this sale season, this video won't be your cup of tea. I've got a heap of insider tips and tricks that will greatly reduce their marketing load, freeing them up so they can get back to all those other little things like running a business. What's that? You are a savvy retail store owner? Why didn't you say so? Give me around 10 minutes and I'll show you how Canva, and specifically Canva Pro, will change your promotional life. Hi, I'm Dale Ann, a creative lead here at Canva. Now, if you work in retail, you already know what the holiday sale season is. But just in case you're new or you've just arrived from off-planet, please allow me to explain. The holiday sales season is that cozy time from late November to early January, when everyone's in the festive spirit and shopping is in full swing. It's a time of Black Friday deals, Cyber Monday steals, Christmas gifts, Boxing Day, and New Year's sales. Shoppers are on the lookout for the perfect presents and great bargains. Thus, for many retailers, this merry season is a golden opportunity, bringing in a significant chunk of their annual sales, making it the most wonderful and busiest time of the year for retail businesses. Now, it's this busy side of things I want to focus on. If you're a solopreneur or small business owner running retail, whether that's a physical space or online only, you are juggling a lot. And that's probably only half of it. Oh, and look what's at the bottom of the list. Promos and marketing. That's not a judgment. That's just a fact. There is a lot to do before you can begin coming up with new campaign ideas, writing copy, planning social media, and creating a variety of multi-channel assets. Thankfully, that's where Canva and our Magic Studio can help. Let me show you a few ways you can use automation to free up some of your valuable time. The first thing I'm going to show you very quickly is the Brand Kit, a feature that saves and organizes your brand assets like logos, colors, and fonts in one place, making it faster and easier to maintain brand consistency across all your designs. To create a new Brand Kit, click on the Add New button. Upload all your brand logos here. You can then select your brand colors using either hex codes or CMYK. Choose or upload brand fonts for each heading and subheading style, and designate your primary and secondary fonts. Beyond the basics, you'll see that there's also space for photos, graphics, or specific icon sets that your brand frequently uses. This is particularly useful for maintaining a consistent style across all visual content. Additionally, you can create branded templates to make your design process more efficient and streamlined. Now, when you are in the editor, everything is right there with you. No need to go searching for the correct logo or heading font. If the color scheme isn't working for you, shuffle and create a new option using the approved colors. Isn't that great? With a Brand Kit setup, you can start delegating some content creation to other team members, knowing they'll be using the correct logo, imagery, and color hex codes. Providing these tools empowers your team to work more independently and efficiently, thereby reducing their reliance on you. See, we're saving time already. Let me show you a Brand Kit in a typical IRL example, like designing a post for a Black Friday promo. Begin by searching for a template. Be specific. If you know what you want to say or have imagery ready, you could use Magic Design. Simply select your media and let Canva do the work. Or, if you need some inspiration, check out the templates. Look at how many options there are. As a Pro subscriber, you get access to all the templates. choose something you like and hit this button. Everything here is customizable. And if you've set up Brand Kit, look at how easy it is to adjust the color choice. Change fonts like this, and your brand choices are right there at the top. Drag in your logo. Grab one of your product shots, and in no time you have something that's postable. Adjust the text by double-clicking, or hit / and get Magic Write to do it for you. Rewrite will find a new way to say the same thing. Or use Edit to add the specific prompts you need. Isn't that easy? And that took like under 2 minutes? Good point. Many of you, amidst the daily juggle, might not have professional product photos readily available. Well, Canva can help there too. Here's a photo of a product that I shot in my bedroom. Choose images. The first thing I'll do is get rid of the background. This Pro feature is a huge time saver. Here I can crop. Adjust contrast here. And when I'm ready, I can either save or just go ahead and use it in a design. Let's find a suitable background. This one will work. Resize and move the product. Now, I might just put a very subtle shadow on this, just to make it look like it's really there. And look at that. Product shot, locked and loaded. Actually, I just thought of something else I should show you. Let's say you've taken your shot and you're pretty happy with the background, the lighting, etc. But the product is not quite in the right place. Well, thanks to Magic Grab, that's no longer a problem. Look at that. It's really that easy. It's a real lifesaver because I can now find the space for my headline. No costly reshoot needed. Although, as mentioned, I did take that shot in my bedroom, so not that costly. But you know what I mean. I've saved all that time. Talking about saving time, one of the best Pro features is the ability to adjust designs to various formats in a single click. Yep, we're talking about Magic Switch. Let me show you how it works. Start by clicking here to open the menu. You'll see a variety of common resize options as you scroll. Select the ones you need by clicking the corresponding checkbox. If you can't find the size you're looking for, use the search bar. Then, press Continue. It's that simple. Minor adjustments may be needed, but rest assured, all the information will be correctly sized. Trust me, this used to be a huge time sink. Now, with it being so quick, you can maximize your platform coverage. You could even use Magic Write for the caption, keywords, and hashtags. How good is that? And that's how I would use Canva Pro to power up my promos and save a bunch of time. With Canva, it's never too late for sales season. Got any questions or thoughts to share? We're all ears. Drop them in the comments below and we'll be sure to respond. Hey there! Looks like you're still with us. That's fantastic. Looking for more insightful content to boost your sales season? Check out our playlist. It's brimming with valuable tips tailored for you. Just go to the Canva YouTube page. Find the tips from the team playlist. This is packed with expert guides like creating media kits, making video ads, or even how to make YouTube end screens, like this one. Hit the subscribe button and it won't be long before you're a Canva whiz. Need a nudge? This video right here could be just what you need. Thanks for watching. Your time and attention mean the world to us.